So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this video. Pretty simple video here today. I'm just gonna give you 3 must-use tools if you're an agency owner or aspiring agency owner. Now, that said, if you're a coach or run an e-commerce business or basically anything in between that, these tools are definitely still gonna be applicable to you. But this is specifically for agency owners. Like these really are just 3 must-haves. So yeah, let's get straight into it. The first one is actually gonna be ClickFunnels. So ClickFunnels is pretty self-explanatory, to be honest. In my own agency itself, I use ClickFunnels for the onboarding. For the website, I actually use WordPress. I had a friend of mine build it out for me. I made it as bare bones as possible, but I use ClickFunnels for the onboarding. I use ClickFunnels for the scheduling page. So when they go ahead, any client books in a actual discovery call with me, basically embed the Acuity scheduling calendar on the ClickFunnels page, and that way I can put a pixel on it and I can retarget them at different stages of the process, etc., etc. I use it for my case study funnel. So if any of you guys have ever seen my case study, I'll actually go ahead and pull it up right here. Yeah, if you guys have ever seen this case study is built on ClickFunnels. So I use ClickFunnels for all of this. Yeah, ClickFunnels really is just one of those must-have tools. You can use it for a variety of different things. In my program at GrowYourAgency, actually give people a website template, so they can basically just get this template set up, and then that way you don't need to pay for WordPress and any other BS. So I actually give people this template for free, and you can see come here where it says apply for discovery call, etc., etc. So this is just a template I use. So if you're struggling to create a website, you can actually just create your website directly within ClickFunnels. It makes things a hell of a lot easier than building in WordPress. So you can use ClickFunnels for actually building it as a website builder and making a very presentable and good looking website. You can use it to build out a case study funnel. You can use it to build out just any sort of landing page or website page that you could ever need. I've literally used it before to hire my personal trainer. I had a video, the requirements, and then my scheduler below if people wanted to apply. So you really can use it for basically anything, and if you're a marketer, it really is a staple. To get started with ClickFunnels itself, go to growyouragency.com/ClickFunnels trial, and I'll give you a 14-day free trial so you can try it out. Even if you're just starting with your agency, I guarantee it's going to be applicable for you. So leave a link first line of the description to that ClickFunnels free trial. So go ahead and check that out. The next tool, which literally, since I started talking about it, like legitimately thousands and thousands have started using it because I'm such a big proponent of it. It's Loom. So Loom is what I use whenever I need to, send a screen share to my team to go over a client campaign, or whenever I need to send something just to the client itself. Like for example, this is one of our old clients, Ran Segal. I was sending him some sort of thing he needed to get over to us, when he became a client. We've got one of our other clients, AJ Smart, on there. Here we've got Kevin Rose, another one of our old clients. All in all, Loom, it's this little extension right here in the corner. You just press that and you can start, recording. You can do screen and cam. You can do screen only, cam only. You can see, who viewed it, etc., etc. It's honestly just an absolute godsend. So if you haven't used Loom already, it's loom.com, and I have the paid version. I think it's like $10 a month, because then you can actually shoot 4K. It's just even better, and you can trim it and stuff like that. So I recommend, if you're making even a couple K a month, definitely get Loom Pro. If Loom Free and Loom Pro were the exact same price, I'd literally get Loom Pro just because of how appreciative I am of Loom. Like, they ran a free service for the longest time ever. So yeah, definitely pick up Loom. So number 1, ClickFunnels. Number 2, Loom. And Loom is entirely free if you want to try it out. And I think it stores up to 150 videos, which means, after 150 videos, you start to lose some. You can see right here, I have 411, and I definitely don't want to lose my old videos. That's why definitely for me it's worth paying for the pro version. And the last thing is Slack. So Slack is how I communicate with my team. It's how I communicate with my clients. I can show you an example right here. This is one of our old clients, Cameron Foos for Trading. Yeah, you can just see a couple of our clients on the side there. As always, I'm pretty much an open book. I try to be as transparent as possible, so I guess I don't really mind you seeing some of our clients that we worked with and we work with. So channels, I have tons and tons of channels. Older clients that we no longer work with, I've gone ahead and archived those channels if basically there's like no activity in there for a couple months. So there's a pro and a general, or just a free version. I use a free version up until I was making like $40,000 a month, and then it got to a point where, once again, Slack I think has 10,000 messages. So after 10,000 messages, you lose your old messages. And that's number 1. Number 2 is the issue is everyone would go into this general channel, and everyone would basically see everyone else part of the organization. So new clients would see other clients that I had and people on their team. Like you can see in this Slack channel, there's 6 people, because there's my team, there's Cameron's team, etc, etc. So just it got a little bit like messy. So then I basically upgraded to the pro version, so that way you can have single channel users and stuff like that. So definitely Slack is by far, in my opinion, the best way to actually communicate with team, with clients. On the side here, you can just literally like get someone's name and you can just send them a direct message. You can call them, so you can call, video call, voice call, share your screen, etc, etc. There's cool other integrations, so you can hook it up with Zapier. So for example, if a client's lead comes in like a Facebook, say you're running a native Facebook ad lead, which basically means that when they claim the offer, they don't leave Facebook. Say you're running a native lead ad on Facebook. When that person fills out their information, you can actually get Zapier to ping that over to Slack. So you can, let's just say your client's called Newer, which is the name of this little tripod thing. Like, let's just say they're called Newer Real Estate Agents. So you can have NRE, Newer Real Estate, NRE Marketing, and then NRE Leads. And those can be two separate channels. So NRE Marketing, obviously, is where you can talk to your client about marketing, how things are going, how the campaigns are going, etc, etc. And then NRE Leads, and I strongly recommend you actually mute this channel, because then you're just going to get bombarded with messages. But NRE Leads is basically where Zapier can basically pull the information from Facebook and just send it in the Slack channel. And that's actually a way to get information over to your clients if you want to do that. Not saying that's necessarily the best way, but that's potentially a way to do it. So yeah, I mean, there's a lot of cool stuff you can do with Slack and Zapier and a lot of different integrations and stuff like that. So really, those are just three, in my opinion, must-use tools if you are an agency owner out there. Number one, ClickFunnels. Number two, Loom. And number three, Slack. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a shorter video for my standards. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want more practical tips on starting an online business, creating an agency and growing it, make sure you go ahead and subscribe if you're not already. And if you are subscribed, make sure you turn on that bell notification, because there's tons of fluff out there on YouTube. So when something, something like this comes on, you want to make sure that you watch it ASAP and implement it ASAP. So ladies and gentlemen, as I said, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.